Hello and welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about mapping out the facial features. Mapping out the facial features before you start drawing a face or anything for that matter is a big help. When you know where things are supposed to go, the creative process is faster and flawless. When creating your cartoon character, don't forget to use all the tools available in Krita and all the tricks you've learned with me so far. For instance, duplicate layers or duplicate shapes you have specifically selected. Use the transform tool to resize or flip things around. Use the vertical mirror tool to help you draw perfectly symmetrical elements. Use any of the selection tools to select items, then use the move tool to move them somewhere else. That said, Krita has all the tools you need to help you complete any project you've started. Now if you don't remember how to use a tool, just search my channel page and you will find what you need. All my videos are about how to use the tools. Finally, don't forget to create beautiful backgrounds, draw a gradient or add texture. Here again, the possibilities are limitless. Alright, that was the very quick tip for today. I will see you next week. Until then, practice and see what you can create using the map out technique. Thank you for watching. Au revoir et à bientôt.